Good morning, everybody, and please welcome on stage Niels, Managing Director of Anveo Group.
Good morning, good morning. So I hope you have also had a great conference so far and a wonderful party yesterday. So this was awesome, being on the dance for the first time for years. My name is Niels, Managing Director at Anveo, and I would like to spend this year's keynote, like the past years, not talking about technology or products. I would like to spend this year's keynote talking about the market changes. So let me quickly introduce you to Anveo in short. Anveo is a typical ISV for horizontal solutions, like offline-capable mobile apps for sales teams, field service and deliveries, as well as for electronic data interchange, EDI. We are in the channel for 10 years, and we work together with more than 450 partners worldwide. So, 10 years, what moved the community 10 years ago? Do you still remember the Estrel Hotel in Berlin? And look at this nice picture of this young committee at that days. So, at that time, Paul White from Microsoft was on stage talking about the importance of repeatable IP. And it's a very up-to-date topic, because I think the game changer today is ready-to-use apps on AppSource. As an ISV, we have a very important observation I would like to share with you today. In 2021, 84% of our incoming leads came directly from Dynamics customers without involving their partners. Whoa. What does this mean? These prospects, Microsoft Dynamics customers, visited our website, watched a video, joined a session like a webinar, and then contacted us. But the Dynamics partner did have no clue about what's going on. The Dynamics partner didn't have any idea that there's a need for a new solution like mobile apps or EDI. How would you feel? So, we have seen that we really have to deal with a new type of customers. They stay anonymous much longer in the sales cycle, and when they get in contact with you, they have much more knowledge. So what does this mean on the effect on the business relationships between the VARs, the Dynamics partner, and the customer? And what is the change for this business relationship for us as an ISV towards the VARs? So how we at Anveo deal with this change, I would like to share with you with a short intro from our team. So please watch the video.
I'm Sebastian, Anveo Marketing. We see our website as a virtual salesperson, available 24/7, all information at your fingertips. Designed for partners and customers, for decision makers and techies, with videos and pricing.
I'm Isabel, Anveo Sales. We respect the limited resources of our partners and support them. For example, we provide shared webinars together with the customer, as well as technical proof of concepts.
I'm Kai, Anveo Partner Care. We have designed a streamlined onboarding process to get partners up and running rapidly. This includes our Quick Start packages. Here we provide an experienced project manager to ensure a successful project launch.
I'm Nicole, Product Development. Time to value is important, and we have invested a lot in our products with BC Online, extensions and AppSource. We can now do an installation in 5 minutes.
Okay, then I would like to discuss this topic also with two of our partners here on stage, So I would like to welcome on stage my colleague, Kayleen. She will be interviewing Tom Teffen with Dime Software and Jan Wild with Boss Info. So please welcome on stage.
Thank you for joining me today.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Tom, Dime Software is an ISV that specializes in scheduling extensions for Dynamics and for the Dynamics channel. Are you also experiencing these market changes?
Yeah, actually we do. We see a change in the buying behavior of our customers too. Roughly 80% indeed of the leads that come in come from the customer directly, and they come well prepared with high demands.
What does this mean for your business model?
To name one thing, we changed our marketing strategy to be more end customer oriented. So people can now find everything on our online platforms, more trainings, more webinars, more videos, more testimonials. Basically, all the information is now publicly available, and that was not really the case in the past.
So if your marketing is customer oriented, how do you support partners during the sales cycle?
A bit like Isabel said in the video, we try to involve customers and partners together in a demo. So we do more joint demos together, and we actively engage our partners, or at least we try to do that, to involve us at the early stages of the sales process. That means it's a win-win situation. Partner saves resources, customer gets a top-notch demo, and in the end, that should lead to a higher chance of scoring the deal.
Jan, Boss Info is a Dynamics VAR with over 200 employees in Switzerland. How have customer requests changed in recent years?
We've experienced a huge shift in the behavior of the prospects. So let me tell you a short story about that. In Switzerland, there is a quite complex payment system with a lot of different rules that apply, and there are only a handful of software that can handle this. And we also have one of them in our stack. So a couple of years ago, the customers came to us and we could help them out and find the best solution that fits for them. But nowadays, the customer already has seen the app in AppSource, the salary app, and he knows about the pricing, he knows about the content and what it can do. So, it's a completely different way that we interact with these prospects.
How does the cooperation between VAR and ISV change with BC Online and AppSource, where a customer can independently find, install, and test a solution? What can we as an ISV do to support the VARs?
We as a VAR, we have to handle with a lot of different applications in AppSource. So for us, it's important that they are easy to implement and that we find all the resources necessary online.
Tom, if a customer can easily go direct, do we still need VARs?
Absolutely. We, as Dime Software, are committed to the partner model because partners know their customers best. One of the first things we do when a customer comes to us is we try to involve the partner, even if it's not an active partner of ours. So in a way, sometimes I think we can be seen as a lead generator also for partners, and not only for our own software, but for the complete Dynamics project, as our partners are listed on the website.
From the Anveo side, I can only agree. We see that when Dynamics and Anveo are presented to the customer up front, it provides more value for them. Jan, as a VAR, what requirements do you have of ISVs to optimize cooperation?
We try to implement the projects as independently as possible. But sometimes, when we get stuck in the project, then we need to rely on the ISV at a really short notice.
Okay, so thank you very much for sharing your insights. So this means we all have to accept and adapt to a new way of better informed customers. As a result, you can say it's very important to have really well-designed partnerships. Anveo is your partner for offline-capable mobile apps, for sales teams, field service and deliveries, as well as for electronic data interchange, EDI.